Hi there, this is Alice from Golden News. Today, I'm thrilled to show you how our AI-powered job management system can revolutionize your workflow. This web-based application lets you create, assign, and manage jobs seamlessly across all devices, desktop, mobile phones, and tablets. It's designed to benefit every department in your hotel, from security to housekeeping to engineering. Let's dive in. First, let's create a job. It's super simple. Every job requires two main pieces of information: where and what. For instance, if a guest requests a spoon to be delivered to room 1002, you set the location as room 1002 and the job type as spoon. You can also add details like the assigned person, priority, remarks, or attach files. You can also create specific job alerts to notify other parties when the job is updated. For example, front desk may want to get notified when a room is cleaned, or housekeeping may want to know when an engineer finished a task in a room. Need to create multiple jobs? No problem. Our spreadsheet-like interface, designed for desktop users such as telephone operators, allows you to efficiently create multiple jobs with ease. Similar to using Excel, you can drag the corner of a cell to copy its value and employ other commands like copy and paste. Once a job is created, a notification is automatically sent to the assigned person's mobile device. For more urgent tasks, an automated phone call is generated to ensure immediate attention.
Hi Alice, you've got a new job for room 1002. Open your app to see the details.
It also supports other different languages like Mandarin or Japanese. 你好，爱丽丝，你有一个新工作，在房间号椅002，请查看应用获取详细信息。The assigned user can view their job on their mobile phone or desktop. They can see all the job details, including the type, remarks, and who assigned the job. Sometimes, words alone may not be enough to describe the issue or the nature of the job. You can also capture images or record videos directly. Once completed, they can update the job status as needed. To streamline communication, room attendants can create jobs directly with their phone. For example, if a guest room needs repairs, the attendant can create a job for the engineer directly, without the need for the information to pass through multiple people, like their supervisor and telephone operator. This ensures the job details go straight from the source to the person who will be doing the job. Sometimes an engineering job can't be completed immediately, for instance, if materials are out of stock or a third-party vendor is needed. In such cases, users can pause the job and provide a reason for the delay. Sometimes a user might be unavailable to complete a job right away. In such cases, the job can be transferred to another person, who will then be notified of the transfer. If a user doesn't accept, start, or complete a job on time, an alert is sent to an assigned person to ensure no job is left unchecked, maintaining high service quality. To recap, our AI-powered job management system is designed to streamline and optimize your workflow. If you're ready to streamline your job management, contact us today.